Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open a browser and go to Metamask. EO to install the Metamask extension for Chrome or Firefox. Avoid search results that look suspicious. Click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox and confirm the extension. The Fox icon appears near the address bar. Click the icon, choose Create a Wallet, and follow the on-screen prompts. When prompted, set a strong password of at least 8 characters to encrypt your private keys locally and enable automatic locking when the browser closes. After setting your password, Metamask will generate a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This is the only way to restore your wallet on a new device. Write the 12 words on paper or store them in a hardware wallet or encrypted file. Do not save the phrase on cloud storage or in screenshots. Never share the 12-word phrase with anyone or enter it into websites asking for it. Finally, Metamask will ask you to confirm the phrase by selecting words in order, which completes the backup process. To use your wallet, copy your public address and receive ETH or tokens from another wallet or exchange. Use the Buy button to purchase with a supported provider if available. To access other networks, open networks, choose Ethereum mainnet or add network, and enter the chain name, RPC URL, and chain ID as provided by the network. For example, Polygon uses chain ID 137. When connecting to a DApp, review permissions, only sign transactions you expect, and disconnect when finished to limit exposure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.